Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to configure Google Sheets with N8N so that you can connect Google Sheet with N8N to either insert a record, read the record, or even update the record so that you can create your workflows treating Google Sheet as a database. I'm Nitin Kaushik from the AI University. I've spent over 15 years building AI and automation systems. Let's talk about the prerequisites. You will need a Google account for this purpose, access to Google Cloud Console, and an N8N instance, cloud or self-hosted. If you want to get registered yourself on a cloud instance, then you can just head over to the description section of this video where I have provided the link for the same. Okay, so once you enter console.cloud.google.com in a web browser, you will be presented with this kind of an interface. Here you will see this create or select a project button. Just click on it and click on new project. You can give it any name. I will just keep the default right now. So click on create, post which it will show you that it has started creating a project and in fact created the one. Select this project. Here type Google Sheets and click on Google Sheets API. Here you will see this enable button option. So just click on it. It will take a few seconds. Sometimes it takes few minutes or seconds to get itself enabled. So on the left hand side in the nav bar, you will see certain options. Just click on the clients, click on get started, and here it will ask for the app name. So Google treats it like an app. So you need to provide the name of the app. I will name it as N8N. Just provide the support email and then click on next. So then you will be provided with the two options here, internal and external. So as you can see here in this mode, if you select internal, your app is limited to Google Workspace. I will not do that. I will just click the external because it is for the personal accounts. Click on next, and then in the contact information, provide your email again. Click on next, put a check on I agree the Google API services user data policy. Click on continue and then click on create. And you will see a message OAuth configuration created. So now you are ready to create your credentials. So just click on this create OAuth client on the top right corner. So now you need to click on this drop down, select the web application and give the name of this web application. You can give it any name. I am just giving it as N8N. Now scroll down and click on the add URI section under authorized redirect URIs. So here you will need to provide the URI of your N8N Google Sheet instance. So let's say I created this AI video director workflow, right? In the Google Sheets, just let us say I need to create a new credential. So here just click on create new credentials and you see here this URI or URL. You need to click on this to copy it. This is the URI that you need to provide here in authorized redirect URIs. Just copy paste it and click on create. A pop-up will appear where it will provide you the client ID as well as client secret. So just copy this client ID and provide it in the client ID section. And next you need to copy the client secret and paste it in the client secret section. I will just name it as Google Sheet test. Click on save. So now you are ready to click on sign in with Google screen, but you may encounter the issue. So first you need to add the test user. So you will kind of get an access denied error. So head back to this particular Google Cloud section and then click on audience. So scroll down to test user section and select add test user and type in your email you used to add the credentials or you used during the app creation process. Now once you save that email, just click on sign in with Google and select the email that you used. Click on continue and select all the options here and then click on continue and you will see a message connection successful. You see a message account connected here as well. So now you are ready to use that particular credential in your Google, in your N8N workflows. So this is how you securely connect the Google Sheet with N8N. If you found this video useful, then hit the like, subscribe buttons and ring that bell. You will be the first to get the future automation tutorials. Remember, if in case you want to get the full access to all the workflows, prompts and API config videos, then you can head over to the AI University school community. Thanks for watching this video.